Hi, this is Sergio Flores. Thanks for coming back. And if you're a renter, this video is for you. Why is this video for you, and why, if you're thinking of buying but renting, should you listen to this? What most renters think is that they can just go look at houses and not know what the heck they're buying or how much they can buy. So I will tell you this, if you go that direction, you will be so frustrated and so tired of looking for a house when it's actually time to do it. So the first thing I would say to you is stop, reset, and start over. The first thing you should do is meet with an agent like me, go through a buyer's consultation, get pointed in the right direction. And even if you think that, oh, I'm not ready to buy, the first thing you should do is have that consultation, have answers to your questions, and get it clear in your mind what to do next. Most people find out that they have to save for 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months. And that way you actually have a plan to execute the result of buying a home. So many renters that come into my open houses and I ask them, have you talked to an agent? They have no idea what is it that they're buying or looking at. All they're looking at is a property that maybe they someday might want to be interested in 10 years, 20 years, or who knows. The first thing you have to do is sit down with an agent like me, have that buyer's consultation, get pointed on the right track, and make sure that you're looking at the right type of property. Condo, townhouse, house, then narrow it down to the area. The next step would be align yourself with that agent, possibly talk to a lender to make sure that that is something that you're qualified for or that you are willing to do. A lot of people may qualify for $1 million house, but they don't want to pay the mortgage of $1 million house. So what does that look like? Do you have to save more money to put down so that you can actually have a monthly payment that is affordable to you and that won't necessarily make you what they call house poor? So as a renter, the first thing you want to do is meet with an agent like me. 2, talk to a lender. And 3, focus only on the properties that you can actually qualify for. All right, thanks so much for watching. And renters, I hope you learned something. Take this to the bank and we'll see you on the other side of the table. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, put it down below. Thanks again.